Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
Why you should buy the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy healthier, quicker, and more versatile cooking. Packed with innovative features and user-friendly design, it's an excellent addition to any kitchen. Here's why you should consider investing in this cutting-edge appliance. Healthier cooking made easy. With the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, you can indulge in your favorite fried foods guilt-free. It uses advanced rapid air technology to cook with little to no oil, reducing fat by up to 98% compared to traditional frying methods. From crispy fries to juicy chicken wings, this air fryer delivers the same delicious taste and texture without compromising on health. Versatility at its best. This appliance is more than just an air fryer. It functions as a dehydrator, rotisserie oven, and convection oven, giving you the flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes. Bake, roast, reheat, or even dehydrate fruits and vegetables for snacks. Its multifunctionality ensures you can cook almost anything with ease. Spacious yet compact design. The CHEFMAN air fryer offers a generous 10-liter capacity, perfect for family-sized meals or entertaining guests. Despite its large capacity, the sleek design ensures it doesn't take up excessive counter space, making it suitable for kitchens of all sizes. User-friendly digital controls. Equipped with an intuitive digital touchscreen, this air fryer simplifies the cooking process. Choose from preset cooking options for popular dishes, or manually adjust time and temperature to suit your recipe. The bright display and one-touch functionality make it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Easy cleanup. Cooking with the CHEFMAN air fryer is hassle-free, and so is cleaning it. Its removable trays and accessories are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after every use. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer combines health-conscious cooking with versatility and convenience. Whether you're a busy professional, a health enthusiast, or someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this appliance is a worthy investment for creating delicious meals with ease.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.